Look at the world. He's to eat all the plenty food inside. Ow! I'll look at everything next time. Walk fast. I don't know my head. Please now. Please now. Hey. Hey, Papa! Now. Hey, wait, go! Carry this thing now. Don't pour me this water. What's the meaning of this? Who did this? What are we going to do now? Let's take him back. Come on, let's take him.
My husband is welcome. Welcome. I sent for you people.
Who dumped him here? Who brought him out here? Who? Could I know?
We don't know.
Could I do something back?
We came back and we saw you.
That's all of my.
Mercy. Mercy. Mercy.
Who brought Nani out here?
Oh, Nani didn't. It's me. Yes.
Why did you bring him out here when you knew that Rebecca and her children were not around? Why?
Oh, Chimo! Rebecca found Maria. I didn't know. I thought they were inside. You know, since Nani came back from the hospital, they always lock themselves inside. Rebecca, if you need me. Shut up.
Immediately. He should be taken back to his room immediately.
Now!
But not at all. He has always been lying outside in front of my own house. And this is also part of his house.
Part of his house. They don't listen to me. All of you. Take him back to his room immediately. Osibo!
Thank you. Osiso. I can only take him back
no condition whatsoever. Now take him back to that place. You must do what we have asked you to do.
I just felt that Rebecca nowhere. I should also take care of their father and our husband. Eh?
Now, get on to. You have just 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Cha.
to take him back to his room immediately.
Thanks, sir.
If you don't do that, we have the whole of our casemen to contend with. Thank
you. 10 minutes.
Please don't be angry. Oh, but I cannot carry him alone. She's covering her nose. I didn't carry him alone. I have to go to Oyago to go and bring what Wobi that helped us to bring him here.
No, be fast about it.
Okay,
Hey,
thank you.
Why? How did Boniface get
10 minutes? Oh, dear one. It's a lot of time.
Mana, even you people. If funu nyame, makana keji mweru maatu. Ase hagu bulunne. Eh? Whatever happened, you shouldn't have brought him out. You shouldn't have brought him outside.
Thank you, Nine. Shut up. Get it.
It wasn't my intention, and I am truly sorry about that.
You're just a heartless woman. What you did to her husband has proven that you don't even care about her husband's life.
Shut up. Don't even go there. Because I care about him more than the woman. Yeah. Nani, I love my husband. I have been taking care of him ever since he came back from the hospital.
Before?
I carry his feces, I carry his urine. But this woman has not bothered.
Before? Yes. Because you're his lovely wife. You're the one he loves so much. So why are you complaining?
Jealousy.
No wonder.
Nani, with all due respect. So and that is to share how we will take care of our husband. Our husband on our pneumonia. Now mami. So she needs to be part of it.
Yeah, Mama Dodi.
Nine.
Is it true that you have not touched Boniface since he returned from the hospital?
Nine. Thank you very much for this question. If my husband was living with me in my own apartment, I would have been taking care of him without complaining. Why are you telling them to come and intervene? Did they share the love?
Nine. Maybe if Boniface had been in her apartment, she would have been able to take care of him alone. Manono Fumua, I need help. I cannot do it alone anymore.
How can you be part of what about your daughter? Is your daughter not there?
My daughters. My daughter has been doing it. My daughters.
It's okay.
Shut up.
It's all right.
Carry your clothes.
Hold on.
Don't point at me.
Listen.
Let's go. Are you okay?
Nani.
Two of you. What we are saying, what we have decided is that thing should be done weekly by each person. Now, if you feel
when he was showing her all the love, we did not show it. So let her carry her cross.
Jealousy.
Come and share the love.
Listen. If you like, accept it. If you like, refuse it. But we have said it, and that is final.
Yes,
this is
final.
Our decision.
It is final.
Oh.
Final. Let them do it.
Let them see us now.
No. Hey! Tell him. Stop! You looking at me? What you wear more? Hey! Look at you want to see? Let's stop them!
Hello, Maria.
How far? Are you done?
Yes, I'm done, but he needs to sign it.
It's a very small thing. I will make sure he signs it this evening. Then I'll give it back to you so that everything will be fine. Come and sign. Hey, I sign. Hello, you too. Sign you. Hello, when he make it sign a big nine.
Don't call Luke or Lawrence. Hurry up, please, be fast. What did you do?
What do you mean, what did you do?
He was alive when I left both of you here.
Mary. I'm being no trouble.
They tell me to me back as ever.
Hello, me. Hello, me. Oh, who did? Hello, me.
He's coming.
Papa, it's me. Answer me, Papa.
I'm coming home.
You should ask her now. She was the one that called me in. What are you doing?
Are you people okay?
Mama, what?
Shut up! What?
Papa! The singing for Lawrence is coming. He's coming. Papa is in there. Hey! Well, she was with him. Then she called me. The next thing I entered. Now you're here.
What are you insinuating?
Bonnie? My Bonnie?
Give me that doctor.
What is it?
What is it?
Hi!
I want to stroke also. Oh, give me no.
No, Papa, you can't die on me, Papa.
Hey!
Papa! Hey, no, Papa, do it! Mama, Stop that! What is wrong with you? Can't you listen?
It only shed tears. It's okay.
My father.
Hey.
My father.
It's okay.
Mommy, good day.
What is it?
I came to discuss something with you.
Something like what?
Because can you tell them, or can Fabu tell me much?
Say whatever you have come to say and get out.
So what do you? Because it's about the money realized at the burial.
Which money?
The money that was realized now, the one that the elders gave you to keep.
Maria, is that what you have come to tell me?
Of course now, it's a very important issue.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. So you can get out, please.
I should get out of your house.
Maria, I hate to repeat myself. Just get out of my house.
So what? I invited you elders for this meeting today because I want to complain to you that I went to Mami to ask her for the money that was realized on the day of her husband's burial. She chased me out of her house with a mug. Yes, a machete knife.
Mama Adobe, what do you have to say?
No. This is a day after her husband's burial. I don't think this is the right time to talk about this.
Ase, if I na-akpọ agadaga ase ka ị na-asị, mgbamgba ase ka ị na-asị. It's a lie, you must discuss it.
This is not the right time to shout or argue about anything. Let us talk about this matter, settle it amicably.
Adobe. Now you look here. I remember gave you this morning question.
No, Loris, I just said something now. Eh? I am not in the mood to talk about this thing. I am very grieved. I don't want to talk about this. I am not in the mood at all.
I've always respected you people. But this time around, I will now take action myself. Let me deal with this woman. Deal this here with her. Oh, no, don't get involved. I know how to get the money out of this woman. Yes, I'll get the money off this woman.
Now, listen. Like I said, we are going to settle this matter amicably. If you are na come.
Yes, you.
Mama do.
No.
Today be going to police. Now I'm going to if I'm going to call no way can solve labor.
Please, can we talk about this next time?
Hi. I forget.
Where is the money in question? You will not tell us to talk about it next time. Where is this money? Please go and get the money. They will take her. Oh? For peace sake.
Just keep it quiet because of this here. If not,
please. Kamad is one. Listen, Boniface just died.
I know.
Won't you people let us have peace in this family?
But are we not going to survive? I got that.
Let us not make noise about it.
When you fill up Bonanka, Okomako, Oganya Medano, Boduman. One young one, don't worry. I'm afraid Chenya go with them, Kaifun. Number one now. Number one now. Why is the room where Fabian much calling?
It's okay, she said. How much do you have?
You don't count it. No, but I can't go.
Go, how much do you have?
14,520 naira.
Huh?
14,520 naira. Nani unafuna nani ni biyo ogwanyi. Unafuna ni no nyori no no. Nani? Hello, guys.
Tell you no. No, tell you. Tell you no.
Biko, I beg you, just leave me alone.
No.
Nobody will rest in this house until Rebecca brings out that money. No. Nani, leave me alone, no.
Barely one day after the burial.
Nani, I don't care. Let people see me. Let them hear me. There will be no rest in this compound until that money comes out. Hey!
Rebecca! 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 How many times did I call you Rebecca?
It's okay.
Now listen. Rebecca, if we leave this compound without this matter being settled amicably, I swear to the gods of this land, you have the whole of our kinsmen to continue.
Oh yes.
Nani.
You face the whole of our kinsmen.
Nani, because if I can't go for kinsmen, if I Maria and Rebecca's war. Nani, because what do you
I am tired of this family. Look, if anybody should invite me again as regards to this, to come and put Martin to the matter of this family, I will disappoint that person. I will disappoint the person.
Listen, Lawrence.
Always here, man.
What you are saying is just the truth. So the same thing is happening to me. Very, very soon, I will back out from there.
Man, if you go, one NBC, that woman is vicious, very wicked. She is evil. She is epitome of wickedness. If for Bunaga, wickedness, or that one, listen.
Both of them are the same thing. If one Yoka has the same opportunity this one has, she will even perform more than her. Yes.
Women are not supposed to be created in this world.
No, you don't question God. Only God knows why He created them. So let us leave it the way it is.
That family,
that's not
I called you people. Yes, Eliswa. This man here is a lawyer. He has come to read out our husband's will to us. Yes. Your father.
What kind of stupid question is that? The will was written and signed by our father.
This is my will. I, Mr. Etiko Boniface, Ezoko Boniface Way, written on 29 March 2017. This is the comprehensive list of the copy and how it will be shared. Number 1, my main building goes to my first wife. The cash crops that surround my house, the palm trees are 7 in numbers. 4 goes to my first wife, Mrs. Ozoko Rebecca, while the remaining 3 goes to my second wife, Mrs. Ozoko Maria. 3. The land at Okwe goes to my first daughter.
This thing never existed. Yes. Listen. What? Very good. Very good. Very good. Jesus. Yes.
Jesus! Maria! Maybe.
Lawyer.
Are you mad? Will you get out of my way?
You are stupid! You're not going anywhere! You said man!
Madam.
One more wrong.
Madam, will you get out of my way? I will push you.
Will
you get out of my way? Will you get out of my way?
My mother that you push. You're very hopeless.
Do you know this little rat?
Who is the little rat?
With my mother blocking my way.
Maria, must you always show yourself? Respect yourself for once. Eh? Oh, give me. Lawyer, because what kind of people?
Madam, we see in court.
Where is she? Where is that your stupid daughter? Where is she? Ezine, come out! Call that your stupid daughter to come out. Hey, don't shut up. I said, where is Ezine?
Where is Ezine? I don't want. Tell Ezine to come out. Lotana did to her that made her beat her up like that.
Because Rebecca
you see,
this is a case of 2 fighting pens without ink.
Let me call her out. Call her out.
No, Ezine. Look at this girl.
Ezine, come out. Come and fight.
Come here, let's dig it out.
If you're not afraid, come out.
You're very stupid. Come here now. Come now.
Hey, come here. Come here. Let me go. Let me go. My face. I get it around. What are you getting around?
How was she? I got it around.
The last meeting we had with you people, I told Ini Edo on the way that I will disappoint anybody who calls me for anything concerning this, you people again. Huh? I have made up my decision, and that decision is final. I am sorry to disappoint you this time that you need me most. I'm sorry, I'm leaving.
Lawrence, please sit down.
Huh?
Sit down.
No, you said I should sit down.
Sit down, Lawrence.
Odima, I will sit down, but I have made my point clear. I am not party to any of your meetings here now.
It's okay. Lawrence has spoken, and I concur. What he said is the truth. It is high time you should be left out of your matters. So, if you know the way you will sort yourself out, go ahead and do it in your own way. And leave us alone out of your endless matters.
Every time,
as simple as that.
Ogo. You are not free to go. You cannot go anywhere. You are an evil woman. Now let me tell you, and I will tell it to your face. You are the cause of all the problems in this family.
Jehovah!
How about Jehovah? You are an evil woman. We married you and not the other way around. Queen, you are an evil woman.
That's it. You heard him when he called me an evil woman. Shut up! I'm not going to want to come down. You're my mother, Katina. I've been waiting at Kanya Guboganya. Instead of people to tell this not man enough to correct his stupid statement. Would I never ask him shut up and sit down? One time, Uno. Nonsense.
Nonsense. Evil.
Rebecca.
Two women in one house, or the was somehow. Mobile argument, or blue fight. Aye, Osuga, Onye, aye, Okotobaga, Guinea name. Two women in one house, or the was somehow. Mobile argument, or blue fight.
I'm not kidding you. What is it? Adobe. Mama, what is it? Did anyone fight you? Did they insult you? Talk to me. Mama, what is it? Talk to us now. Mama, what is it?
Prince called me an evil woman.
He called you an evil woman. Why?
I did nothing to him. I did not even say anything to him. And he called me an evil woman.
Mama.
Uncle Lawrence, he will know that I'm an innocent woman.
Mama, don't worry. Let us go and find out why he called you an evil woman.
Just relax, eh?
Just wait.
Mama, we are coming back.
We are coming back.
Just relax. Do you need anything? Okay, we are coming.
Hey, Lawrence, Chineke akpọdala Lawrence ọkụ. Come on, Mabuduni. Come on, Mabulio. Okay. Me, Rebecca, evil woman. Okay. I better run.
Don't worry. She is not capable of doing anything. She has no claim over that land. She can't take it over. He has no right. Don't worry.
I'm not afraid of her, but I don't want you people to just relax because I don't want her to take over that land.
Don't worry.
It belongs to both of us.
Don't worry.
That's my own.
Don't worry. The king's men. The king's men will say what is it? What is it?
And we're on our way to the house. Oga, did you call our mother evil woman?
We are not talking to you. Just stay out of this case. Hold it.
Hey, I called your mother a witch because she is one. She is an evil woman. Yes.
So you even have the guts to say it on my presence. Are you not afraid?
Hey!
This is not ordinary. Huh?
Yes, it is not ordinary. But a drastic step has to be taken to put a full stop to it.
So, Lawrence is now in the hospital. Hi.
What happens to you?
I don't know why you are here. I was talking to Maria, Ezime's mother. All of a sudden, Adobe and her sister Rodina just bounced on me. They started beating me. Now go. They can't miss. What have I done? Because I called their mother an evil woman. Oh wow!
Papa, you mean Adobe and Lutana laid their filthy hands on you?
They did not lay their hands on me. Boom, boom, boom. They nearly killed me. Only God saved me. I'm not me female.
Carol, has Papa eaten?
Yes, I managed to so. Mana, the doctor said we have to buy some so we have to get new drugs. Just lie down.
Okay, Mama. Sorry. Carol, you just let me see the doctor. No.
It's alright. I'll be okay.
Rock down! Come on, you think we are here to play? Come on, from jump! I will do it to myself.
Oh yeah! Jump! Jump! Jump!
Fast! Come on, jump! Come on!
Go down, my friend. I will kill you here.
You have a mother.
I'll give it to her. Go! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Bravo! Mama, where are you going? Mama, leave them! Mama!
It's enough now. You look at mommy. You want to kill her? No, you need to stop this thing. I can't take it anymore. Mama.
Mama.
Yes?
These men you see right there, they are not on illegal duty. I don't care about any outcome. I don't care.
Whether they are illegal or not illegal, I care about the outcome.
They are not my sisters. Continue. Deal with them.
Give me their number for subsequent. I don't want again. I don't want anybody to die in front of my house.
Nobody is dying.
I think you should stop this thing.
Mama, I'm forgetting what they did to us.
Kusifa is when I'm going to Kusifa. I will join in that big pillow if you don't stop it now.
Go, I will hold my mom.
Yes. Nna. From this upu mango to the other upu mango.
Okay, the other one.
Yes. like this.
Alright, madam. Well, I've seen the land. It's a nice one. The thing is that I will get back to you probably after I've seen my lawyer.
Okay, but you have to be fast about it. Delay is dangerous.
Okay. You will. Okay. Like I said.
Was the signpost not here the first day you came to see the land?
Not at all, barrister. The thing is that I don't get it. Who mounted this signpost here? Sorry, hold on a minute. Let me put the call through. I can't believe this. Yeah, hello. Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, actually, we're in the land now, me and my barrister. But the thing is that we saw a signpost that is being mounted here. Were you the one that mounted it? Okay. You know what, and don't worry, I'll call you back. I said I will call you back.
What did she say?
The barrister, believe me, this land is not a genuine land. Even the woman in question is so amazed on the phone. She has no idea about the signs. I suspect a foul play, alright? I think we should leave this place, okay? This is good.
Small signpost. Oh, it is you.
It is you. Kegene, is it your land? Eh? Just go and remove that signpost.
Please. That land belongs to both of us. It's not just your land.
Belongs to you? See. That land belongs to me and nobody else.
Rebecca, you will never change. Eh? We have come too far not to stop this fight. This is the same land that took our husband's life. And we are here fighting over it. That land had been there before both of us were born, and it will be there when we die. We can't even take it to our grave. So, because I was not because
hey, excuse me. I still remember the question I asked.
Yes. You asked me who puts the signpost on the land.
Yes.
And I said it is me.
Good.
Good.
Just go and remove it. Go and remove it. But that does not mean I cannot fight. Just go and remove it.
Yet you want to fight. Are you not even ashamed of yourself, Wanya?
Come on, Mabu Okwegi. Come on, Mabu Okwegi. You don't get a preacher him someone. You want Yara.
You want Yara.
Sorry, preach someone. Maka on a church.
You might church.
You want Yara.
You want Yara.
Ukurama. Ogwanagama Lulio.
It's all
right. I have very clear. I got his share wood. Bring that. I got him. Hello, Rebecca.
Mama, what you It's not allowed this slippers.
And then we just will slippers.
You want your
come on, Mabu Okwegi.
What is the matter?
Matthias brought this man and this lady for me a few minutes ago. And when they came, they said something, and I feel there is need for you to be present. Yes. Mr. Man, I told you that somebody must be part of this meeting. This is the man. You can now repeat yourself.
Which network is that? Oh, the Maziko. You're welcome. Which land is that?
Boniface land.
Madam, please, could you tell us your name, the name of your husband, and where you are?
Thank you. My name is Mrs. Rebecca Uzioko.
My husband, Boniface Uzioko. I'm from Umbiso in Imo State. Thank you.
Yes. Right. Please, madam, could you also tell us your name?
You're welcome.
The name of your husband and also where you're from.
My name is Maria Asper Ekenem Maria. I am Mrs. Maria Bombom Ozioko. Hey, sorry. Bombom, that's the nickname I used to call my husband. His name is Boniface. Maria Boniface Ozioko. I'm from that big town on the Gola Kuponano called Oka in Anambra State. What if this woman had sold her? How would she have felt now?
Is that why you're crying?
I'm not crying. They're just tears of joy.
Mama, it's okay. Don't feel bad. Mama, thank God. She couldn't sell it. Okay? I just feel for Papa. If he was alive, what about Obina?
Obina would have been able to buy loads and loads of lands. Obina would have...
Mama, please. I beg you, don't cry.
I'm not crying.
You are.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
You know, I've been thinking of how to pay her, but I've not been able to come up with anything yet. Then I'll be doing show.
Oh, Nemo.
I'll be doing show.
Nemo.
And the world will be calling me Mommy.
Mommy.
Take. You can monitor him with this mirror. Now at your own convenient time, if you wish to kill him,
Jesus!
Hey!
Issue!
Hey! Please forgive us. Oh no, Shoppe! You! Mama, isn't it? I was coming to your house.
What happened to the land again? My name is Etiko. Tell me, what actually do you want? And it will be done. Who and who are involved? All right. I'm coming. Take. Rub it in your palm. Touch whosoever that are involved. That person will sleep and will never wake up. Ojimoto Emorgo.
Jesus. If I had met you and touched you, by tomorrow, you people would have been history. Please forgive us. Adobe! Forgive us.
I have always known that both of you are evil. But to the extent of taking my little brother's life. You killed Obinna. What did they do to you people?
Jesus Christi!
What is this? What is this? What is this? You will not talk?
Rebecca, sir, like I told you earlier, the elders have resolved to banish you from this community. You and your children.
My husband, why?
Don't call that name again. I've told you. Woman, go and face the consequences of your children's action. Agunyakunam, count me out. In accordance with the tradition of Ibagokwe community.
Showing us love. I have blessed these children. Magaram, you have a good heart. We are sorry.
Whatever is my share, give it to her. Give it to them. No, they deserve it. No. Give it to them.
Mommy, please don't go. Mama, no, come and take your share. Don't go, Mommy.
Somehow, more argument,